Hello friends, Hector here from the Electric TV with a video tutorial for Adobe After Effects. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to make a simple intro video for your videos. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is open up Adobe After Effects. Just to let you guys know, this is going to be my first video in a series of Adobe After Effects tutorial videos, and if you want help on a specific subject, just send me a message or leave a comment and I'll try to make a tutorial on that. So what you want to do is press New Composition. Make sure it says 720 by 480 pixels, and make sure the lock aspect ratio is unchecked, because if it is checked and you try to change the width or height, they will change each other and you won't be able to have it the way you want. Everything else is good, so just press OK. Now we'll want to add a new layer, so go to New, go to Layer, New, Solid, and again make sure it's 720 by 480 pixels and just make it black. Press OK. Now here sometimes you can't see all that you're working on, so we'll change the magnification ratio pop-up to fit up to 100% so you can see everything. Now we'll want to change this black solid so it doesn't look too dull. We'll go to Effect, Generate, and Ramp, and here we'll change the colors. Instead of black, I'll have it white or grayish with black. Okay, and instead of linear ramp, I'll change it to radial ramp so it looks more like a circle and it just doesn't look as dull. You can experiment with all the things here, but I'm not going to. Now what you want to do is add your text. So go up to your text tool, click on screen, and just start typing in your text. So I'll want to type in the electric TV. And usually you won't have this font because this is Birth of a Hero, and most computers don't come with this font, but you can download it off the internet. And you can just play around with the font. Just change the size pixels to make sure it fits on screen, and the font and anything else you want. So I'll just leave it like that. Now what you want to do is add an effect. So we'll go to Animation. Oh wait, make sure the electric TV or your text is highlighted in the timeline, and then go to Animation, Apply Animation Presets, and click on that. Now I'll go to Text, and here you can see a lot of animations for the text. I'll put Animate In, and I'll just put Center Spiral, and see your text has disappeared because now it's in an animation. If you scroll through your timeline, you can see it coming in as an animation, and you can play around with the animations if you want, but I'm not going to. Now that we have the animation to fade in, we'll make an animation to go out too. So just move your timeline to where you want it to disappear, to start disappearing, and then go to Animation and Apply Preset, and we'll go back to Text and Animate Out, and then I'll just put Slide Off by Character, and if you scroll through that again, it'll just show you what it's doing. So there you have it. You can play around with more effects and animations if you want, but I'm not going to for this tutorial. Maybe I'll make more tutorials on this. And now what you want to do is, now that you have your simple intro, we'll want to move your work area, because I just want it to be a 10-second video, and that's about 10 seconds, and that's about where it ends. So now what you want to do is render it, and rendering means like saving it, but like not like in Windows Movie Maker where you just put save as. Render is more like how it's supposed to be done. So what you want to do is go up to Composition, Add to Render Queue, and sometimes if you have a slow computer, you want to press Caps Lock, and so that it doesn't refresh the thing and take up all your RAM to show you what's going on. Now what you'll just want to leave this the same, but the output, you'll click on that, and I'll just go to desktop, and I'll put tutorial intro, and you can name it whatever you want your intro to be like, and press save. And now you'll want to press render, and just wait for this to render. Now that it's finished rendering, well, almost finished rendering, you'll want to press caps lock again, and there, it's done. I rendered mine to my desktop, and here it is. Now you can play it using Windows Media Player, and just see how it looks. See, that's my. Thanks for watching. Be sure to leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you. I think that's pretty good.